Here are a couple of screenshots from the Solo app, and it shows different drivers on their city's average compared to what they make. So the first screenshot shows their hourly average of 35.72 when St. Louis's average is 22.04. Then the other driver who shows their average is 32.16. For the Santa Barbara average is 18.23. And then we have our driver in the center who is averaging 41.42 an hour. So awesome job there. You're really taking advantage of just
this is from our audience members, by the way. Actually, you may know, if you're watching now, you may know who you are. I'm not going to say the names, but both drivers, right? Almost not almost, actually, let's see. Yeah, definitely more than double the average. That's what you're supposed to do right there. Okay, forget the average. We're not average here. We don't do anything on average here. We don't like average. Way above average. Double the average. We want top 2%. We want to be in the top 2% of drivers in your city.